Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another hot, steamy summer day, guys. It is really hot. And is this really the place for you to be in the summer? I'm not sure. How do you feel about the heat and the humidity? And is it really necessary to go to the water? I'm getting so many messages always because we never go in the water. A lot of us, I know a lot of people who live here and they never go in the water. But it's just nice to have a beach around, you know. But I'm not sure if the heat here is for all ages as well. I don't know. I'm getting a little bit too heat sensitive here, I would say. It's almost noontime. The euro is very bad, US dollar too. Not strong anymore, guys. And also, talking about currency exchange. Everyone who has not a Wise card yet should get one now. I will put the link in the description. This is not an ad today, because I don't get paid for this channel to say that. But I woke up today and I fixed a friend's problem just with my Wise account. And he has a Spanish bank account. He went to Korea because he's traveling a lot. He only had money on his one Spanish account and he has another German account and things like that. But he thought it's smart to not have any kind of smart fintech bank. And so he tried to pay his hotel for the month in Korea and his bank blocked it. And guess what? Spain is the same old-fashioned country like Germany and they don't work on Sundays. So the bank was closed, he couldn't do anything. So he's sitting there already 4 hours until I woke up and fixed his problem with one quick, hello, how you doing, man? With one quick transfer for free. I sent him his money in euro right away. And tomorrow or the next 2 days, he's gonna send it back to me. But also in Europe, right? So I'm here in Vietnam sending him with Wise money to his German, so he's Spanish, but he has a German account as well, because his Spanish account was blocked, right? So I sent him euro to his euro account for free, instantly, in less than a second. He got it, he paid his thing, and now he's in the room. He was there 4 hours. He called his sister and everything. He woke up his sister and mother and all his friends, and somehow they did not have Wise, and I don't understand. Like, I thought Europeans all have Wise now. So, and then his sister wanted to sign up for Wise, and then they had to go through a ID verification, so that takes maybe also a day. Maybe Spanish Wise is also different. Maybe they also don't work. Yeah, so it's ridiculous. If you don't have Wise, get Wise. Get my link, get a free debit card of 500 euro sending. I have a special link for that because I'm a Wise partner. So, yeah, crazy. And if you don't wanna use Wise or say send me a moron, then at least get 2-3 banks or fintechs, okay? But yeah, I can definitely recommend you Wise. It's free, guys. Just have it. I did the same. I always had Wise. I never used it until I lost my... One card was blocked and one card I lost in Mexico. And then I was so happy to have Wise, guys. Okay, this is a whole advertisement here. But it's okay. It's like, this may be the video that will secure you from that nasty feeling of being in a foreign country, stuck and cannot pay and have no money. And your friends overseas are sleeping. Yeah. But hey, let's think about the positive things here. All problems are solved. And look at this beautiful beach here, guys. Fantastic. This is why I love Da Nang. I can tell you that. This is exactly the white of the sand, the ocean, very clear side to the Sancha Peninsula. I can see it looks very good. No, not really pollution. It's a little bit, but not hardcorely. And the ocean, calm, beautiful. Let's go all the way to the front. You got the hammocks here. Perfect. And this is exactly the water I would go into. And I'm very picky with going into ocean. But this, perfect. I mean, I'm a good swimmer. I'm not scared about. I love good waves. I really enjoyed Rio de Janeiro as well when there were like 2-meter waves and things like that. It was very fun. But this is the exact temperature and color of the ocean I like. It's see-through, so you see everything. You walk there and you see if there would be any kind of dangerous animal in the ocean or not. So it's just perfect. It's like a little baby pool. This is how it looks. So basically now I can show you also more here. This is the start of the Antung area, all the way to this big building. And then Soncha is officially starting. So, and then you have all those other hotels there on the beach. And they're constructing so much more. But yeah, how beautiful is that? Very calm, very nice. It's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna give you the temperature. 34 degrees. Yikes! It's very hot, guys. It probably feels a little bit more hot. But yeah. You got your red flags. So you can go in the water here, but not here. If you don't go all the way in, they usually don't say anything. And when it's like that calm of a sea, nothing can happen, I think. So it looks very, very calm. So there's no nasty current or something that pulls you out at the moment. But who knows, stay in the designated areas. I already told you on this channel what happened to the two German guys, very good swimmers, who almost drowned all over there, somewhere further away, because they wanted to be alone in the water. You got jet skis here, banana boats. That's fantastic. This is a great way to start your day, walking on the beach. I saw something online and the person was saying like, I need to start the day and to put my feet on the sand and grounding myself. Sounds very holistic and hipster style, but I think I should do that. Maybe that's a very good idea. Maybe I should do barefoot walks in the morning instead of my normal walks. I woke up very late again, so I really want to wake up early. But in the morning here it's even busier, you know. But maybe around 9 o'clock everything is empty again. So between 5 and 7 the beach is packed. Between 5 and 7 p.m. the beach is packed again. Wow, check this out, guys. We're getting there, the new beach club. They colored it already. We have lots of seats over there. And this also looks like they're gonna renovate it. Amazing. I really hope they make like a really nice nightclub in there. Nightclub inside, nightclub upstairs. Not that I'd go there, but I would love to have a good nightclub here on the beach. So people actually can go on a nice night out. Then we have here seafood restaurant and then the Kala Kala Beach Club. Very popular already. The only thing is weird, by Kala Kala Beach Club, they have those beds over there. No one uses them. I think they need to invest into some umbrellas to have people sitting there too. Because I feel like this is such a waste of space. Whew. Just talked with Zad, a guy who's doing like a gym here, and I saw his Instagram at some point. So we just met, we talked a little bit, and super interesting. And I'm gonna go there. I think I'm gonna go there soon. When my gym is over, I go there and check it out. I think it's over there to the right at Pullman or so. But the ocean looks so fantastic, guys. And it's getting emptier and emptier here. And this is the last exit here before, in between Pullman and this long strip, there's another one. And then after Furama, between Furama and Furama Villas, is another entrance. But I want to go out here because it's too hot. Whew. This is also very calm here. I would definitely also stay here for a day. It's noontime right now, so definitely stay in the shade. Don't do it like me. I have to find some shade here. I need some shady areas. So here you can also park cars or motorbikes for a fee. But it's a good place to park, to be honest. You have straight away the entrance. It's not so busy. And here you would see this is the first Premier Village area. You cannot rent it at the moment for short term, I think, only long term. But I think there's gonna be a hotel going in soon, if I'm right. But we will see, hopefully. Because it's pretty nice there, because it's so calm and quiet, you know. And something is getting built there. There's some 40 and 20 foot containers built on top of each other. Something they're building there. And this looks like also huge. I'm wondering what it, I think there's gonna be a souvenir shop. This here will be a souvenir shop. I'm pretty sure, because it's so big. It looks a little bit like the other souvenir shop over there. Maybe it's gonna become a coffee shop, which is very good. This neighborhood should be developed. Kala Kala, not that busy today, yet. It's maybe too early. People still hangover. But yeah, we can also see the beach club over there, how it looks right now. Let's check out how it looks. The brand new. Hi. This is the brand new beach club here. It's getting finished. I think 2 weeks max and it's open. I mean, depends on if there's any issues, right? I still think there needs to be a little bit of a barricade here. I mean, the bar will be a natural barricade, but still, right? What do you guys think? Maybe I'm just wrong here. Maybe if you're over there and you have this in between, it's enough. Could be also the case, right? My God, I'm melting. I'm literally melting. Craft beer festival. So many beer festivals, guys. Crazy. And it's gonna be the name, Colombo Beach Club. I guess this is job openings. Not 100% sure. But this is how it looks right now. It's bloody hot. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.